posting all my trade breakdowns also on Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. But this was yesterday's trade, July 16th, so it is currently July 17th right now. Let's go break down that trade. This was the sell position that we went over in our last video. So now let's go look at today's buying position that we took, which was beautiful. Everybody on the team, live trade, amazing setup. So if we look at how this played out, we can see that during Asian session, we had a late rally up after hours for Asian, coming into London, had the sell-off, and then we had the 5:30 news again today. So when we look at this, this was the 5:30 candle right here. Didn't do too much, a little bit of indecision, wicks on either side of the candles. Let's zoom in here so we can kind of see that a little bit clearer. See wicks on both sides of those candles. We had this massive push up, and then price stalled out, rejected, and then came right back down. We opened up. If we look here, this is our 6:30 a.m. candle. Again, what do we have here? Very similar to what we had in London, right? The indecision. If we look at both of these wicks, see both wicks on it. I did, however, full transparency, take a small sell position in this because I thought potentially similar price action that we saw yesterday. Did it play out? No, stopped me out, had a $130 loss. Okay, so now what am I looking for? Market to correct itself once again, right? So a push up, a pullback, and then continuation to the upside. So as we can see, I have these lines drawn here. I saw it break this line with force. Buyers definitely stepped in. Saw this line right here, this red line that we have drawn here. This was in a major area as well during London, all the way back into Asian session as well. So I saw it cross here, looked for an opportunity to go long, got my opportunity, met my entry criteria, and we took this to the upside. Okay, so some people closed out at this level. I closed out. I was done trading for the day, but we saw this happen. So we saw another entry that we could have taken place in. Some people were holding this, and some people had gotten out of this like I did, but some people got back in here because it met our entry criteria. Took this up for another small win. Not bad at all, right? Let's adjust this because it wasn't 37 points. It was only about a 20-ish point move. Okay, and then we started to see this breakdown. We had some people take this small scalp for the selling position. So we had 3 trades today. So broke down through this level, pulled back, got an entry, pushed down. What was that? Another 20-ish points. This was a little bit higher. Let's adjust this. We were somewhere right in here getting in because we were watching this rejection. So another 20-ish point move to the bottom side. So we're doing this live every day, but beautiful price action. And then look what price decided to do the rest of the day. We were done trading, but had we just came back, waited for this steep pullback, saw it break this level again, we had that nice entry criteria met, and then the push. And price, look at it. All-time highs. All-time highs, beautiful price action. Could you have taken this all the way up? Yes, but again, we're not being greedy. We're going for what we can get out of the market. We're taking our profit and we're walking away. Following our rules-based system, and Q's been hard to follow as rules-based lately, but just overall, really amazing price action today.